Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is soil erosion and conservation. We know that the soil on the land is formed by a natural process. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years for a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of mature soil to form. Soil can get destroyed in a short period due to wind, running water, storms, etc. This is called soil erosion. Soil erosion causes damage to the soil. The topsoil is carried away by natural forces from one place and gets deposited to another place. As the topsoil is lighter and softer, it is washed away easily than the subsoil. This disturbance in the topsoil and subsoil layers affects the growth of plants. The topsoil is good for growing plants. Soil erosion by wind. When there is a windstorm or wind blows very fast, the tiny and loose particles are carried away, causing the soil erosion. This causes the damage of the topsoil. Soil erosion by water. Rainwater flows over land and takes topsoil along, causing soil erosion. The rainwater washes away fine sand and mud particles along with necessary minerals of the soil. It reduces the fertility of the soil. The faster the flow of water, the greater the rate of soil erosion. The water in rivers slows down in plains or valleys while rushing down with great force from the hills. This river water carries along fine sand and mud particles and slowly deposits them in the plains. This deposition of soil is called silt. Protecting the soil from being washed away by wind or water is called soil conservation. The measures of soil conservation are as follows. Grow more plants. Tree plantation reduces the rate of soil erosion. The roots of the plants, grasses, and trees hold the soil tightly. This protects the topsoil from being washed away by water or blown by wind. Terrace farming. In hilly areas, flow of water washes away large chunks of topsoil. Here, terrace farming is done. In this method of farming, furrows or terraces are made along the hill slopes parallel to the contours. The terraces formed help to weaken the flow of water and thus lesser amount of soil is washed away. by constructing dams. During the monsoon, when heavy rainfall gives rise to floods in the rivers, the water in some rivers crosses the danger mark. The flood damages the soil at the banks and in the nearby fields. Dams are built on the rivers so that the force of gushing water gets weakened. Embankments on the rivers. Rivers flow continuously and swiftly cause maximum soil erosion. Embankments are made up of rocks and stones on the banks of rivers to reduce the soil erosion to a great extent. Building bunds. Bunds can be built around farmlands to prevent rainwater from washing away the upper layer of the soil. Please like and subscribe.